Hello and welcome to our channel. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between towering mountains, lived a young boy named Aidan. Aidan was known for his unyielding determination and an insatiable thirst for adventure. He often looked up at the highest peak of the tallest mountain, Mount Destiny, which seemed to touch the very heavens. To him, it wasn't just a mountain, it was a symbol of the impossible waiting to be conquered. From a young age, Aidan dreamt of reaching the summit of Mount Destiny, a feat no one from his village had ever accomplished. People laughed at him, saying it was an impossible dream. But Aidan had something special within him, an unwavering belief in himself. At the age of 18, Aidan decided to embark on his journey. He bid farewell to his village and set out with a backpack filled with supplies, a map, and an unshakable resolve. The path was arduous, filled with treacherous terrain, unpredictable weather, and countless obstacles. Aidan faced each challenge with unwavering determination and a smile on his face. As he climbed higher, the air grew thinner, and the cold more biting. Many times, he stumbled and fell, but he never gave up. Instead, he used each fall as a lesson and a stepping stone for the next ascent. Aidan's journey became an inspiration to many, as word spread of his fearless pursuit of his dream. Months turned into years, and Aidan's name became synonymous with resilience. He reached base camps, made friends with fellow climbers, and shared his dream with them. Together, they formed a tight-knit community of support and encouragement. One fateful day, as Aidan stood just a few hundred feet from the summit, a blizzard struck with unimaginable fury. He was trapped, battered by the storm's icy wrath. With limited supplies and failing strength, Aidan knew that this was his greatest challenge yet. Hours turned into days, and Aidan clung to life on the brink of despair. But in the darkest of moments, he found a glimmer of hope. A small bird, seemingly unaffected by the blizzard, perched nearby. It was a reminder of nature's resilience and an inspiration to Aidan. Summoning all his strength, Aidan pressed on. Step by agonizing step, he made his way to the summit, where he raised his arms in triumph. Aidan had achieved the impossible, reaching the peak of Mount Destiny. He had turned his dream into reality through sheer willpower, determination, and an unbreakable spirit. News of Aidan's incredible journey spread like wildfire, inspiring people worldwide. His story became a symbol of human potential, a testament to the power of belief and perseverance. Aidan returned to his village not only as a hero but as a living legend. From that day forward, Aidan dedicated his life to motivating others to pursue their dreams relentlessly. He showed the world that no dream is too big, no obstacle too insurmountable, and no setback too great to overcome. And so, the story of Aidan, the young man who conquered Mount Destiny, lives on as a beacon of hope and an everlasting reminder that with unwavering determination and an unbreakable spirit, anyone can achieve greatness.